Anaheim, California, over here off of La Palma and Tustin. CP24-2 root barrier panels. A panel that simply slides together in 12-inch or 24-inch segments. Trees all planted in with the CP24-2 root barrier. We have a curb and gutter and sidewalk area to add maximum protection from lip of concrete creating hazardous trip and falls. This is right on a main thoroughfare. Every tree is protected with a root barrier application. Every tree that is planted has a barrier along the curb and the sidewalk area. As this tree gets older, all the roots will be forced downward away from the concrete thanks to the root barriers that are planted alongside the trees. Century product is centuryrootbarrier.com. Come and check us out.